If your drains are acting slow or you're smelling something funky near your yard, your septic tank might be screaming for some attention. So here's the deal. If you notice water backing up in your sinks or toilets, don't just ignore it. That's a classic sign that your septic system is clogged or full. Also, if you catch a nasty, rotten smell around the tank or drain field, that means stuff is leaking or the tank isn't venting right. Check your yard for any wet, soggy patches that don't dry out, even when it hasn't rained for days. That usually means the drain field is saturated or failing. Another thing to watch for is unusually lush grass over the drain field area because excess nutrients from leaks can make plants grow faster. Keep an eye on gurgling sounds in your plumbing, which can signal air trapped in pipes due to blockages. If you spot any sewage backup inside your home, it is a big red flag you need to act fast. Lastly, routine inspections every 3 years can help catch problems before they get messy and expensive. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tanks is ignoring slow drains until it turns into a full-on backup, which can cause major damage and cost way more to fix. The fix is simple. Call a pro as soon as you see slow drainage. Another common issue is neglecting regular pumping, leading to sludge buildup that clogs the system. Getting your tank pumped every 3 to 5 years keeps things flowing smooth. Lastly, people often plant trees or heavy shrubs too close to the drain field, which can damage pipes with roots. Make sure to keep deep-rooted plants far away to avoid costly repairs. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff about septic system care. Plus, it gives contractors a way to find solid work and build their reputation without all the hassle.